हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू माय चैनल आउट ऑफ बॉक्स विद अनिल पांडे। और आज मैं आपको गोदरेज 24 की वॉकिंग कराता हूँ। क्या क्या एमिनिटीज़ है, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं इवन के लगभग हैंड ओवर हो चुका है और इसका पोजीशन लास्ट ईयर 23 में मिल गया था और इसकी बुकिंग ईयर 2019 में। सो 4 ईयर गोदरेज टुक टू कंप्लीट दिस प्रोजेक्ट। चलिए मेरे साथ। सो यू विल हैव ए एक्सपीरियंस कि गोदरेज कई व्यूअर्स ने हमसे रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि आप जो है गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टी को दिखाएं। तो ये लेटेस्ट गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टी है गोदरेज 24, जो कि सरजापुर डोमसंद्रा से 2 किलोमीटर दूर है। तो जैसे आप देख रहे हैं ये, और इसके बगल में देखिए, जैसे मैंने एक वीडियो अभी अपलोड किया है, मान्यता मिडलैंड करके आ रहा है। तो ये जॉइंट वेंचर था गोदरेज का मान्यता के साथ। और ये देखिए इसका एंट्रेंस है गोदरेज 24। और अभी मैं गोदरेज 24 की बात करता हूँ। ये जो है काफ़ी ह्यूज एग्जिट है। सो व्यूअर्स, ये जैसा कि मैं दिखा रहा था आपको, ये अभी हम अंदर आ चुके हैं। तो और मैं अंदर का वॉकिंग आपको दिखाऊंगा क्या क्या इसमें है। इनिशियली जब आप गेट से घुसते हैं तो ये सिक्योरिटी कंट्रोल टावर है और इधर जो अपार्टमेंट में बोरिंग है, बट ये देखिए बाउजर से पानी अभी आता है हाल फिलहाल। फर्दर क्या प्रोग्रेस होती है वो देखना है। और ये सप्लाई जो है गैस की थ्रू दिस पाइपलाइन होती है। सो चलिए अब अंदर चलते हैं, आपको इसका पूरा वॉकिंग विजिट दिखाते हैं। सो ये बिस्तर पार्किंग इधर भी है, जस्ट मैं ग्लांस कर दूं। और बिस्तर पार्किंग ही, बिस्तर पार्किंग इज दैट साइड आल्सो, यू माइट बी सीइंग दैट। ये इन्होंने, अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये इन्होंने शॉपिंग के लिए जैसे ब्यूटी पार्लर एंड अदर नाउ वैकेंट दिख रही हैं कुछ शॉप। तो ये अभी वेटिंग है, तो इसमें कैफेटेरिया वगैरह आने वाला है या क्या है। पहले तो इन्होंने गोदरेज ने प्रॉमिस किया था इसमें एटीएम आएगा और सम आउटलेट्स विल कम, बट सो फार अभी तक तो कुछ आया नहीं इसमें। और ये इनकी पार्किंग है। तो अब हम यहाँ से मूव करते हैं और आपको दिखाते हैं इसमें। ये जो एरिया आप देख रहे हैं ये बेसमेंट पार्किंग एक है और इसके नीचे भी ये ग्राउंड पार्किंग है, इसके नीचे बेसमेंट पार्किंग है। तो ये देखिए आप, पहले मैं तो इसमें यदि आप देखेंगे ये इनका क्लब हाउस एंट्री, एम्फी थिएटर एंड स्विमिंग पूल। तो मैं पहले बारी बारी से आपको दिखा देता हूँ। ये इनका जो है क्लब हाउस है, क्लब 24 इन्होंने इसका नाम दिया है। और इसी के पीछे जो है एम्फी थिएटर है। स्विमिंग पूल इज़ दैट साइड विच आई विल शो यू। एंड बढ़िया से व्यवस्था है, जो मेंटेनेंस वगैरह है काफ़ी अच्छा होता है। सो दिस इज़ क्लब 24, जस्ट आई विल शो यू। दिस एरिया यू कैन जस्ट बुक इट। आप इसको 2000 रुपीज़ लगता है पार्टी हॉल बुकिंग के लिए। जैसा कि देखिए लिखा है मल्टीपर्पज़ हॉल विच यू कैन बुक इट। नाउ इट इज़ क्लोज फॉर मेंटेनेंस। आई विल जस्ट शो यू आउटसाइड। सो इट हैज़ ए कैपेसिटी नियर अबाउट 70 to 75 people you can have, and this is under maintenance, this बैडमिंटन कोर्ट। और जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा था एम्फी थिएटर, theater is this side. You can check it, amphitheater. और अच्छी है, यहाँ पर लिफ्ट भी लगी हुई है सो दैट यू कैन एक्सेस टू ग्राउंड फ्लोर. और इसके ऊपर ये देखिए आपका लिफ्ट इज़ देयर, washrooms are also. Now this is gym, quite beautiful gym is there. You can check it out, the gym area. So in your time you can just come and have a gym also. ये एरिया आप पीछे जाएंगे, सम गार्डनिंग का है. एंड देन यू कैन कम डाउन टू स्विमिंग पूल. सी, दिस इज स्विमिंग पूल. पीपल आर एंजॉइंग. काफ़ी अच्छा स्विमिंग पूल है. Some rules, paddle pool rules are there, which is normally every pool is for kids. Kids supposed to be with parent. And this is now walking area also. It around near about 750, you can say, meter around. One walking take place. This is how they have constructed. This total, you can say, 5 blocks are there. It starts from A, B, C, D, E. So when you enter from gate E block, that is E, that is 22 floor. Then it is D. It is 18th floor, and then C, it is 15th floor, and then D, V is again 18th floor, and A is again 22 floor. So they have designed in that way. काफ़ी मल्टीपल. नाउ दिस इज विजिटर पार्किंग, जिनका EV व्हीकल्स है, स्कूटी और EV पॉइंट्स दिए हैं. 4 व्हीलर यू कैन चार्ज इट हियर. सो और क्या क्या है इसमें, आई विल जस्ट शो यू. दिस 3 amenities are here. PA Park, you can check it. This is PA Park, children play and swimming pool, which I have just showed you. And this area, you just check it out. This is for, I told you, this is PA Park for any pet. Cat and dog can come here. And this is by side of this PA Park is children play area. So this, in my view, that it should not be nearer to children park, because at least owners are taking responsibility of the dog and cat. But once children are playing, kids are playing, so if by mistake anything happens, then it should be away from that area. My point is that. And if you walk down now here, just see this area. This is power backup. This Godrej have got. So just you can understand by my walking that how much area it covers, because I am very slowly walking to just have you a full view on this Godrej 24. So viewers who want to see the Godrej, how they deliver. Yes, some of the things they have also cut short in this apartment. What was promised, they have not done it, as I earlier told. And now see, come down to this project. This is having a senior citizen or yoga deck, whatever you call this is this place, and in front of this also this quiet space and peaceful atmosphere you can have here. Another thing, this is sitting, and in evening time it really enjoys when people are sitting here, kids are playing, it gives a fabulous atmosphere. Once again I will just show you these two. Now this is meditation park and this senior citizen area park where you can just have your cool time, morning also and evening also, and good morning also, good amount of fresh air is coming to this project. So just I will walk down to this area. So now this also a garden, just beautiful garden here. As I told, this is A tower. As I told, the A, and this is B tower, and C in middle, D, then E. E is at entrance gate. You just check it. जहाँ से अभी हम लोग आ रहे हैं, सीनियर सिटीजन कोर्ट, योगा डेक, meditation deck, outdoor gyms. That area, 4 amenities are at back side. And now this is again a children park. So you can check it. This children park, they have got various 2-3 children parks are there. And that corner, if you see, that is a debris room, you can say, bigger cartoon, and which cannot come to, on the dustbin capes. Those are being, now this is the tower B. This is tower B, and if you go that side, that is tower A. That is tower A. Now you come down here, this is now again a sitting for senior citizen. Now see, the debris is being collected here. Bigger like cartoons, TV cartoons or fish cartoons, when they come new, they cannot come to a small storage of dustbin kept outside, and very neat and clean. That I will say here. The gardening part also very nice. So, and this is tower C. So you might have seen the kids ground near about 3 or 4 kids playgrounds. This is tower C. And closet wise, if you can see, I will just close it also. The lobby is very nice, huge. You enter there and then you will get, and now this is the kept for garbage collection. And this is, now see the shed over here, this goes for entry of the basement parking. Now this is tower D. Just see it. In that you see the plenty amenities again. Bigger, basketball ground, children play area again, and sitting area. And behind that you see where the garbage dustbins are there. Is also there. You can have a sitting there together. It's a huge basketball court, multi-purpose court. You can say. Just see this area. And beside, and when you come down here again, then you got it now cricket pitch. Now what I am showing you, when you book Godrej, then at least Godrej any property, you can come to know their quality of work. So as it is now coming up with other real estate ventures also like this. This is a collaboration of you can say joint venture by Manyata and Godrej. Now see it here. This also a football ground. Football ground. And I think this also the land they have kept is still not known by Godrej. They have put a gate here, and a huge area is this. You can check it out. And behind this only, attached to this only, Manyata Midland is coming, which I have also uploaded a video. And just see again a glance. And this is a cricket pitch net. You can, kids are coming here and playing cricket. Behind this, if you go, is gardening full of greenish. So just I have shown you the outer amenities. Another one is left, indoor amenities. Just I will go and show you that also. Like back side, if you check it out, they all are giving an each area like this. And if you enter, there are the names they are giving, whoever the residents' names are here. Property, if you just see in front of that, this quite huge lobby. Quite huge lobby is there, and which take you to the lift area. So some other day I will show you the internal flats area. So it is quite huge if you enter from here, and huge area. How the flat is designed by Godrej, that I will also show you some other video, because ये just so ज़्यादा बिगर हो जाएगा. ये लिफ्ट दी है with all good capacity, with camera is on, and when you enter, sixth floor has come, and now this is another lobby. One beautiful thing is that they have only given 2 flats. You see, this lobby is also used. So for utmost privacy, only 2 flats are there. You just check it out. This is one, and another this flat, to maintain the security, privacy. तो नाउ मैं आपको अब इनकी जो है ग्राउंड +1 पे क्या एमिनिटीज़ है वो दिखाता हूँ आपको. दिस एरिया जस्ट आई विल जस्ट शो यू. इसमें भी बहुत एमिनिटीज़ है. ये एक इन्होंने अभी लॉक करके रखा है. ऊपर G+1 में काफ़ी स्पेस है बैठने के लिए, और व्हाटएवर द Still, just I say, any builder, let it be Godrej, Prestige, when जब वो नियर अबाउट इसको 10 मंथ हो गया हैंड ओवर किए हुए, तो कुछ काम है 90% इज completed. Some of the work they have not completed. So our association and resident of the Godrej 24 are, because after 1 year naturally any builder hand over to the society. So hardly 1 or 2 months is left for handing over to society. So society resident also checking out all the things what they promised and what they are not done. So these are the continuous process. As I told you, this area is also from that gate they have locked for some maintenance purpose, but I will show you what are other things are available on G+1. This is one AV room, indoor table tennis room, just I shown you on bottom, badminton room. And now if you come outside, this is behind of the tower, you can say. I was up to now showing you the front side, and this is the front side, rear side, how it looks down. And just see some of the maintenance work is carrying out here also. And this is the rear of tower D. I am in front of tower D. I am standing. So like this. So viewers, to shoot this video, I could take near about you can say 20 minutes continuously without any stoppage. So sufficient place is there. Near about you can say 75% is open area. The total parcel of land of this project was 6.02 acres. So with all good amenities, it looks. Few are the points they are still under. Now backside also they have given, just see it. So kids playgrounds are near about 5 to 6 in each block, or you can say everything is there, but still here the point are left, which I hope with Godrej 24 residents are very watchful, and that also will be completed. Now just see this area. This is, as I am showing you, the rear side of the Godrej 24. It makes very good view, and lot of development, as I told initially also, lot of development is coming to this area. So naturally within 1 or 2 years it will be a huge growth oriented area. Just see the view of swimming pool. And now that was locked the door, which I told you. Upper side also in this something is coming. So some of the maintenance work is going on. So I am giving you the view this side. So viewer, how you like this video? Let me know through comment box, and also kindly subscribe my channel and also press bell icon, so that I will be bringing same trendy video, some of the informative video. And also thank you for watching my channel. Bye till next.